In this new video, I will show you step by step just how I was able to raise this $30 account to $1,074. Using only one swing trade. Buckle up and tighten your seatbelt. As we dive deeper into the real magic, I will show you all you need to know right now. But first, don't subscribe to this channel. Just kidding. Subscribe in 3 seconds.
3, 2, 1, go!
First thing first is to zoom out to the 4-hour time frame. And here we have 3 higher probability confluences. This confluences alone can stop a gorilla from killing 100 men. There are 3 important elements to note here. One is this strong demand zone. As you all know, a demand zone always pushes price to buy. In our case here, we have this wick candle rejections. This means that price is respecting that demand zone. Secondly, we can all note that price has already cleared the sell side liquidity. Price normally does this to eliminate early buyers and manipulate sellers to enter. After this, the real buyers takes over the market aggressively, leaving both early buyers and sellers crying uncontrollably. So to simply summarize, I use demand, wick rejections, and liquidity concepts. Fractalizing further, I was now able to establish a confident setup to confirm my buy entries. Since you are now my subscriber, I am showing you what this structure is. Some traders call this a Quasimodo pattern. Other trader refers to this as a change of character. But for me, I call this a bullish head and shoulder pattern. Don't get confused or argue with other traders on this. Just understand what you see based on your own perspective, because it all works out. My entries are now set to run, and what's important here is to let it play out without any worry.
6 hours later.
Price is already up for over 500 pips. Wow! What a big move we have here. But guess what? We still need to deliver price towards my original target, so I will look for more entry to capitalize further. If you are a busy person with no time to open the markets but interested in swing trade setups and analysis right now, DM me now on Telegram and I will help you with sure calls with set, take profit and stop loss. So DM me now on Telegram. Link is down below. This is my last setup that will hopefully deliver price to our target. I have previously gave out my H4 confluences, that is, demand, liquidity, and rejection from demand zone, and already price respected my setup. So, for this trade, I choose to enter after this bullish trendline break. I increased my lot size position since my account is large enough to survive a 150 pips drawdown.
1 hour later.
Now at a floating loss.
Oh no! Oh no! No, 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 no.
Look how they massacred my boy.
Later.
Wow. My first setup is now at 930 pips floating profits with 0 drawdown. The second setup is now floating at 350 pips. I will secure my profits because it is already big enough than my lecturer's salary. I hope you enjoyed my explanation and feel free to DM me now and get good setups like this. See you in my next video.